SlowCast English, Episode 25, At the Doctor.
Hello. What's the problem?
I have a headache.
Since when?
Since yesterday?
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Do you sleep well?
Not really.
You need more rest.
Should I take medicine?
Yes, I'll give you some.
Thank you.
Drink more water too.
Okay.
Get well soon.
Introduction to this podcast. Advice for a headache. Jake tells Emma he has had a headache since yesterday and hasn't slept well. Emma checks if he has a fever, advises him to rest more, drink water, and gives him medicine. She wishes him a swift recovery.